this video, we are looking at traffic filtering in action. But let's start with looking at our environment first. As you can see, I am in CyberShield page in administration portal. I have traffic filtering monitoring on, and I have selected all the categories to be blocked, like known threats, phishing, denial of service, and so on. If you look at our top 10 dashboard, there are some filter traffic logged in for past 7 days or 30 days, but there is nothing for last hour or last 24 hours. My user Goose is connected to our WPC or OpenVPN Cloud here, and I do have a web server with the private IP address on the network, which is 10.0.0.185. Here we go, this is our web server. Currently, only traffic to the private web server is using the WPC and being examined by CyberShield for any threats. So let's go ahead and emulate some attack on this web server. Let's bring up the command prompt, and we're going to go ahead and type a few commands here to make sure that we can emulate these attacks. So let's copy these here, and let's run I'm gonna run a couple more here also. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to our top 10 dashboard on the Shield page, and let's look at this. I'm gonna refresh the page by clicking on the refresh here, and we'll see. As you can see now, on the last 24 hours, I got some traffics being filtered, and the last hour same. As you can see, I got traffic by priority. I got 9 high, 8 medium, and 4 critical. Since I have the investigate mode on, I can drill down a little bit more and see who was the user. Obviously, Goose is our user that is connected, and we can see what device he was using. If I look at the categories, also I can see the categories that they're being observed or monitored. So I got 3 phishing, 2 malwares, 6 known threats. Now let's look at the block traffic by priority. Again, same type of numbers, 9 high, 8 mediums, and I can drill down to see who was the user and what device generated this traffic. If I look at by category, I can see that there are 2 malwares, 3 phishings, 6 known threats, and so on. So, and if I click on any of these circles, I can drill down and see who was the user and the device is being used. Now, if I like to get more information or have this report downloaded in my computer, I can click on this little icon down here, and I get my full report for the last hour right now, because this is what I have selected for the categories and the number of times that they've been filtered or blocked. If I need to download it, I click on this icon and download the CSV file into my computer.